It's me, Celeste Renee. I know you guys are probably thinking like, is this really her? Yes, it's really me. I know I've been gone for like 3 weeks, but I was moving, and moving is so stressful. Like I can't even, like I'm in my new apartment now, but it's a hot mess. Like it's a hot mess. But I am back. I am doing a video right now. Well, clearly I am, because anyways, but yes, I'm back. I'm back on it, back to recording. And yeah, so I apologize for just, you know, going ghost on y'all, but that moving thing is no joke. Like your girl was stressed. So yes. Yeah, so anyways, let's get started. Today I'm going to be cooking. So this is like a little segment that I'm gonna start. It's called Cooking with Lestie, because my name is Celeste, but like people call me Lestie. So yeah, but I call myself Celeste today, but that doesn't matter. It's really irrelevant. But yeah, anyways, so I like cooking different things, and so like I like to try like making healthy options of my favorite foods. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that into my channel a little bit. So anytime you see hashtag Cooking with Lestie, that's like my, you know, it's gonna be like a cooking video. So anyways, that's enough talking. Let's get started, because these lights are on and they're making your girl sweat a lot. So yeah, we're gonna make, oh, I didn't tell you what we're gonna make, but we're making zucchini spaghetti. So real fast, I'm not really a fan of spaghetti. Yeah, but I've been craving for spaghetti for some reason. I don't know why. I don't really care for spaghetti, but anyways, that's what we're gonna do. I got these jalapeno meatballs from Target, and I thought that'd be cool to try. They were $5.49, as you can see. I got the zucchini noodles. These are from H-E-B. I think they're like $4, $5 max. I know they're not more than $5. And then some canned pasta sauce. Really fast, if you guys watch what's the show called? Oh, not is it Hell's Kitchen? Yes, Hell's Kitchen. On one of the seasons, I'm like watching all the seasons because I watched MasterChef or whatever the last season was. So like I'm like super obsessed now. And on one of the seasons, the girl made some pasta, and she legit like was serving it to Chef Ramsay, and she just poured it from a can. So that's why I was laughing when I like saw this, because I was thinking of like Chef Ramsay. But anyways, he went off because, you know, he ain't got no common sense. But anyways, it's a good show. Y'all should watch Hell's Kitchen. Like it's really good. It's really entertaining. But anyways, this is the healthy roasted garlic pasta sauce. I tried to get something healthy because I mean, I'm not Italian. I don't know how to make homemade pasta sauce, and even if I did, ain't nobody got time for that. Like So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna take y'all over here to the stove. We're gonna get this party going. So for the cooking part, you're not really gonna see me. I mean, you don't really need to see me anyways, but like, because if I try to put it up here, like you can't see what's going on down here, and this is the important part. So yeah, let's get started. Like I said, so my new apartment, it has like gas stoves, and it makes me really nervous because I always feel like I'm gonna like set this bitch on fire. Excuse my French, but see, that was the wrong one. Excuse that, that was the wrong one. Let's the front one. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is supposed to be close, but anyways, we're gonna get some oil, put it in the pan in the middle of the kitchen, cook stir fry. Just, you know, you just want to make sure your pan looks like lathered up as so. I just use regular olive oil. I used to use the spray, but I had read this article about like the Pam spray is not healthy for you, or something about, well, I mean, pretty much everything gives you cancer these days, so I don't know, but it said something it wasn't healthy, so I stopped using it. That scared the shit out of me. My speaker, when it dies, it makes like this. I don't even have time for that. See how my stuff just was on there playing me on camera. So it feels like it's a little hot, so I'm just gonna lay these bad boys on there. That's what they look like. They smell like sausage, I guess. Meatballs are sausage. Okay, so while that is cooking, we're gonna get the sauce started. I'm literally just gonna, okay, thank you. I'm gonna pour this, it's like a little saucer pan, and I'm just gonna, oh, this is a pot. I'm just gonna pour it all, like, what the hell? Because I don't eat spaghetti, so I'm probably never gonna use this again. Anyways, salt, and turn this one on. This is the rear. Okay, and yeah, Gonna let that warm up, gonna let that cook, and we'll be back with the final product. Okay guys, so this pasta sauce is ready. Actually tastes really good. That's ready. I mean, it's not like I made it anyway, so there. And so now I'm taking the zucchini noodles and I'm just gonna put them in the pan. My hands are clean. I mean, even if they weren't clean. I'm only gonna use half because I'm only making enough for me. And you're just gonna turn it, this is the front, okay. Like, ooh. And you're just gonna saute that for a little while. The meatballs are still cooking. I covered them so they could cook a little faster because your girl is hungry. Oh, I don't have any more forks. Just let me rinse this up. So yeah, oh, it's already starting to cook. So you just saute it. It says saute for 3 to 4 minutes. I like it to be crunchy, so maybe 3 minutes. Just for it to get hot. Grab this. Oh, and I did add some Italian seasonings into the spaghetti sauce because I was like, let me not play myself with this bland ass spaghetti sauce that came from the can. I didn't even taste it. I just felt like it was going to be in there. So, these zucchini noodles, I mean, for me, they're pretty good. Like, I like them like this, still a little rough. So, I'm happy with that. Gonna turn this off. Ooh, no, that's not off, girl. Now let's check on these meatballs one more time. I'm flipping them over right now. So they'll be like cooked on both sides evenly. They need to stay in for like a few more minutes. I'm just trying to heat up some. Yeah. Okay guys, sorry. I got a little snap. But I think these are done. Ooh, look at all this. Oh. Yeah, they're definitely done. I'm just gonna put them on this so the oil can drain out, but I'm gonna show you guys them. Look at this pan. I'm always burning stuff. But this is the finished product. Oh my god, don't they look delish? Look at them glistening. I'm gonna let the oil seep out because you know we're trying to be healthy. Okay, so everything's pretty much ready. I'm just gonna like put it on the plate. I normally mix the spaghetti sauce with the noodles, but with zucchini noodles, if you put too much sauce, it'll like make them wilty. I don't even know if wilty is a word. I always be saying wilty, and I don't even think that's a real word. I'm just going. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all probably like, girl, why is you doing all this? We can't even see nothing going on. But I'm having some camera difficulties trying to figure out how to like record while cooking. It's like so y'all can see both, like me and you know the cooking. But y'all gonna see the finished result. That's all. This is looking real good. Real good. I think that was myself. Okay, let's dry these off a little extra. These bad boys. I actually want to taste one. Oh. So I'm gonna do 2, 4, and then one on the side for me to finish eating. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Ooh, let me try to angle it down so y'all can see. This is it. This is my spaghetti. Let me take this one off. But it looks so delicious. And I'm literally starving, so I can't wait to eat it. This meatball by itself. So good. Mmm. Mmm. You know when you taste something that's so good, it just your soul just woo. But yeah, I'm going to eat this. It looks delicious. I'm gonna try it on camera for y'all so I can let y'all know. Let me get my plasticware, because if you watch my videos, you know I don't play about dishes. I ain't got time to wash no dishes, so plasticware shawty. Oh my god. Let me break a little piece of this. I was actually supposed to. Okay. Here it goes, guys. Let me stand back so y'all can see. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Woo! Make me do it. Let's just say, hey! Get it. This is good. That's good. So I'm about to eat, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat and go to bed. But that's good. Y'all should definitely try that. And stay tuned for the next Cooking with Lestie. Good night, y'all. Have a great night. And remember, stay motivated, stay pumped, and we're going to reach our goals in 2018. Bye.